Good afternoon, all of you. Today we will discuss about 10th class topic. What? Introduction to Trigonometry. Chapter number 8, class 10th maths. In the previous lecture we have done example number 1 related to this introduction to trigonometry, page number 178. Now example number 2, that's important also. Example number 2, which is important also. So it's written angle B and angle Q are acute angle such that sin B equal to sin Q. Then prove that angle B equal to angle Q. So to prove this, we have to prove both the triangle with two triangle, one triangle having this, its name is A, B, C, and which triangle? P, Q, R. We can prove these both triangles are similar. First we can prove these both triangles are similar, and then we can say if triangles are similar you know from the chapter number 6. If triangles are similar, the 6 element of one triangle is equal to the 6 element of the another triangle. So here given, what is sin B? According to you, sin B is what? AC by AB. What is sin Q? Which is again what? PR by PQ. But sin B equal to sin Q. Therefore, AC by AB equal to PR by PQ. Understood? So this you can take AC by PR is equal to AB cross multiplication by PQ equal to K. You can take any other also. Therefore, what's its meaning? What's its meaning? AC by PR equal to K. This implies AC equal to KPR. KPR. Similarly, AB by PQ is equal to K. This implies AB equal to KPQ. Yes or no? Understood? Now, what is BC? BC is equal to the AB square minus AC square. Yes or no? Why by Pythagoras? And what? QR. QR is what? This is QR base. This is equal to PQ square minus PR square. So therefore, BC by QR is equal to under the root AB square minus AC square by PQ square minus PR square. But AB is equal to what? This. So we can put this. Therefore, BC by QR is equal to under the root K square PQ square minus K square AC is what? PR square by under the root PQ square minus PR square. So next step here, write BC by QR is equal to K coming outside, inside what's left, PQ square minus PR square by under the root PQ square minus PR square cancel out. This implies BC by QR is equal to K. Therefore what? AC by PR equal to AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to K. That is ratio of all three sides are proportional. So what's its meaning? Therefore triangle, which triangle? ACB is similar to triangle PRQ. This implies angle B equal to angle Q. Why? Because if two triangles are similar, all the 6 elements of one triangle is equal to all the 6 elements of another triangle. But what's condition? These must be correspondence needs. Understood? Here is also correspondence between these two. So this P is equal to Q, which is required. Your result. Example number 3, you can solve. Example number 4, I can tell you. If any problem in example number 3, then tell me, I will solve. In example number 4, given in a right triangle, what's triangle? Right triangle, what's its name? ABC. Right angle at what? Here. Right angle at B, and it's given if tangent A equal to 1. So A is this angle. Then you have to prove, which you have to prove? You have to prove 2 sine A cos A is equal to 1. Understood? So solution, it's given tangent A equal to 1. What is tangent A? Base by, perpendicular by base. So angle is this, so adjacent side is base and opposite to this angle is perpendicular, is equal to what? BC by AP. BC by AB. Understood? Therefore BC by AB equal to K1, this implies BC equal to AB. Understood? Understood or not? Let this is equal to K. See. So we need to find out sin A cos A. We need what? AC. We know AC equal to what? Under the root AB square plus BC square. So what's coming this? K square plus K square equal to what? 2K square. So what's under root 2K? or you can say k and root 2, both are right. This from where coming? By using Pythagoras theorem. This hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. What's your hypotenuse? AC square is equal to what? AB square plus BC square. So AC, it's under the root AB square plus BC square, this written here. Understood? Now find out which you need. Sine of A. Sine of A is, you know, perpendicular by hypotenuse. What's perpendicular here? K or not? And this is under root 2k. K cancel k, 1 by root 2. This is cos of A, base by hypotenuse. What's your base? K. What's your this? Under root 2 k. K cancel k is 1 by root 2. Now find out. We need to find out 2 sine A cos of A. So 2 sine of A, 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is equal to 2 by root 2 into root 2. This is 2 by 2. Cancel is equal to 1. Therefore 2 of sine A cos of A is equal to 1. Understood? Example number 5. It's given in triangle OPQ. Example number 5. Page 180. Same NCERT book. Maths 10th. In triangle OPQ, there is a triangle. What's OPQ? This type of triangle given. This is QPO. This is given 7 centimeter. OP equal to 7. OPQ is a right angle triangle. Right angle at P. This is 90 degree. OP equal to 7 centimeter and OQ, this OP equal to 7 centimeter, OQ minus OP or PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. And you have to determine the value of what? Sin Q and cos Q. So you can take in triangle, in which triangle? OPQ. You know OQ square by Pythagoras theorem is equal to what? OP square plus PQ square. Understood? And what is OQ? OQ is equal to 1 plus OP. Why? From this. So OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Understood? What is this? 1 plus OP square plus 2 OP equal to OP square plus PQ square. Understood? This OP cancel OP. OP not coming here. Sorry for that. It's meaning 1 plus PQ. So here also coming PQ. Sorry for that. PQ. So this is also PQ. So again I am writing this 1 plus PQ square plus 2 PQ is equal to OP square plus PQ square. PQ square cancel, PQ square. Understood? So what's left? 1 plus 2 PQ is equal to 7 square. OP equal to 7. OP equal to 7 centimeter. So what is this? What is this? So from here 2pq 1 plus 2pq equal to 49. So this implies 2pq is equal to 49 minus 1 equal to 48. Therefore pq equal to 24 centimeter. pq equal to 24 centimeter. So what is this? This is one more it. So this is 25 centimeter. Now you have to find out what you have to find out. Sine of q. Sine of q. Q is this. Opposite to this perpendicular is equal to OP by OQ. OP 7 and this is 25. Cos Q, which is base this, QP by OQ. What is this? Understood? Hence result. So this is all about this examples. So in exercise question number 1, easily you can solve or not. I am giving idea. ABC is a right angle triangle. So this type of triangle given. What's its name? It's given ABC right angle at B. ABC, this is right angle. And AB equal to 24 centimeters. BC equal to 7 centimeters. So first find out AC. AC is equal to what? Under the root AB square plus BC square. AC equal to under the root AB 24 square plus 7 square. So AC equal to how much? 24 into 24, 576 plus 49. Understood? So AC is equal to what? How much become this? 625. So AC is equal to plus minus 25, but length is always positive. This implies AC equal to 25. So easily you can solve. Now first you have to find out what? Sine of A. What is the sine of A? A angle is this. So opposite to this perpendicular, BC by perpendicular by hypotenuse AC. BC how much? 7 by 25. Cos of A, base AB by AC, 24 by 25. Similarly, you have to find out sine of C. C angle is this. What? Which is perpendicular? This is perpendicular opposite to this. AB by AC is equal to 24 by 25. Cos of C is equal to what? BC by AC equal to 7 by 25. From this what you can say? Sine of A is equal to cos of C and cos of A is equal to sine of C. This is the relationship between. Try to understand this. This is important topic from this. So You can solve this all these example. If any problem, again discuss with me. Tomorrow we can start from question number 2. Slowly we can do this. So if possible, solve this complete exercise, otherwise we will discuss tomorrow definitely. Thank you all of you.